The plank is a super effective exercise that requires no equipment and can be done using only your body weight. What's more, you can achieve amazing results by dedicating just 1 minute a day. So, what happens to your body if you do planks every day? But before we move on to the video, a quick reminder. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Let's start by discussing the benefits of the plank, beginning with how it strengthens the core region. The plank strengthens not only the torso muscles, but the entire core region. By working the abdominal, back, shoulder, and hip muscles simultaneously, it balances your body and increases your endurance. Regular planking improves your posture and helps reduce back pain. It also reduces the risk of injury by strengthening muscles without putting excessive strain on the joints. The plank accelerates your metabolism and boosts your energy levels. What's more, even just 1 minute of daily practice can make a difference. Abdominal muscles are crucial not only for a good appearance, but also for maintaining the fundamental balance of our body. When the core region is strong, your posture improves, and your movements become more controlled and effective. So, what happens if your abdominal muscles are weak? Weak abdominal muscles can lead to back and neck pain, disrupt your balance, and make everyday movements more difficult. It also increases the risk of injury and reduces overall body performance. That's why core-focused exercises like the plank are so valuable. Weak abdominal muscles can cause problems in the lower back and abdominal area. When combined with heavy lifting or sudden movements, the risk of hernias can increase. This is why core exercises like the plank strengthen your abdominal muscles and support the abdominal wall, reducing these risks. When your abdominal muscles are strong, many exercises become much easier to perform and your flexibility increases. With a strong core, you can carry your body comfortably and maintain control. For example, to perform movements such as pull-ups or headstands, your core muscles need to be strong. In other words, strong abdominal muscles both enhance your performance and reduce your risk of injury. When your core muscles are strong, you learn to carry your body. This is actually the foundation of all exercise. Why? For example, if you fall from somewhere, how long can you hang on with your hands? Or can you pull yourself up? If you had done just 1 minute of planking every day, your arms, back, and core would be much stronger and you could easily pull yourself up in such situations. Secondly, it is an investment in your future. Moreover, this small investment you make as you age provides great benefits for your body's resilience and health. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to weaken, and we may experience loss of balance, flexibility, and strength. This is where strong core and abdominal muscles come into play. When your core muscles are strong, your risk of falling decreases. You can perform daily movements more comfortably, and the likelihood of injury decreases. Additionally, strong abdominal and back muscles support your posture, reduce back pain, and help you maintain your independence as you age. So, a small investment you make today can make a big difference to your health and quality of life years from now. 3. Your back muscles strengthen. When your core muscles are strong, the risk of injury decreases, and you can safely strengthen your back muscles without causing harm. 4. The risk of injury is low. The plank is generally an exercise with a low risk of injury, but it must be performed with correct form and attention. Lowering your hips too high or too low during a plank can put unnecessary pressure on your back and shoulders. Your elbows should be at shoulder height, and your body should form a straight line. You need to be careful when doing planks, especially if you have back pain or a history of shoulder injury. If necessary, it is beneficial to keep the plank time short and increase it gradually. When done correctly, planks strengthen the core muscles, support the back, and reduce the risk of injury. They provide protection against back and shoulder injuries during movements such as weightlifting. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds. Gradually increasing the duration as you get stronger is the safest method. If necessary, it is also safe to start with a knee plank and progress to a full plank. If you have thin wrists and find planks difficult, you can do an elbow plank. In an elbow plank, the elbows are placed on the floor instead of the hands. This greatly reduces the load on the wrists. To make the movement easier, you can do a knee plank. In this movement, the knees are kept on the ground instead of the feet. The body still works the core, but the weight is reduced. Additionally, a yoga mat, a towel between the fingers, or wrist supports can be used. 5. Corrects poor posture. If you work at a desk job requiring you to sit for long periods, poor posture is highly likely, and the plank can help correct this. The reason for this is that sitting for long periods, especially slouching, causes the shoulders to drop forward, weakens the back and abdominal muscles, and renders the core muscles insufficiently active. The plank strengthens the core muscles and helps keep the body upright. It helps correct posture by activating the shoulder and back muscles. Regular planking increases spinal stability and prevents slouching. 6. Balance and coordination effect. During the plank, small muscles, namely stabilizer muscles, become active. These muscles maintain balance and improve coordination during movement. Thanks to a strong core and stable muscles, you will be more controlled when walking, running, or performing sports movements. For example, standing on one leg, doing pull-ups or headstands will become easier. The plank offers countless benefits, but remember, if you do the movement incorrectly, it can also harm you. It can put excessive strain on the spine, discs, lower back, and shoulder joints, increasing the risk of injury. Therefore, always remember to do it with the correct form and in a controlled manner. Now it's your turn. How long can you hold a plank? Share your results in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and share the video with your loved ones. Stay healthy.